Do you know that to a great extent that your thumbnails help viewers find you? Is your thumbnail improving your click-through rate? Is it improving the visibility of your video? When you have a top-notch thumbnail, your content will be seen more by viewers. And let me tell you what thumbnail does. It helps viewers to understand what your content is all about. And for those of you who may not know what a thumbnail is something like a picture. That thing you first of all see. What you saw before watching this video, now that's a thumbnail. The moment you click on it, the video starts playing and you start seeing the original video. So thumbnails help viewers find you. And if you must go far on YouTube as a content creator, you must improve your thumbnails. Alright, what are the basic characteristics of a thumbnail? 1, it must be clear. 2, it must be visible. And 3, it should be bold. 4, additionally, a thumbnail should be eye-catching. Yes, it should drive a sense of curiosity. It should be attractive. When I mean attractive, not having too many colors. Actually, one of the rules of design, do not use more than 3 colors. Anything above 3 colors also, it's already what we call color riot. Now, let's now dive in to see more about thumbnails and how they help to scale up your video visibility on YouTube. Alright, thumbnails help viewers find you. That's one fact I want you to know. And now, YouTube told me here, he said, these thumbnails are working well. In other words, the thumbnails are top notch, they are standard, and they are help driving traffic to my videos and my channel. 1, boost your views now with YouTube community tab. You could see these thumbnails. New YouTube updates. Test thumbnails. The other one, the easiest YouTube niche. No camera, just your phone. The other, stop uploading like this. You can see with my hand pointed. Alright, so let's go further. So here's how to give your thumbnail every chance to shine. How can you make your thumbnail shine, or how can you make it unique? Number 1 is to make sure they are clear and easy to read. That's just the fact. Make sure they are clear and easy to read. So you can see these thumbnails now. Even as small as these pictures are, you can see that the texts are readable, the pictures are visible. The thumbnails change size on different devices, so use high resolution image and text. Are you getting that? Alright. Then stand out to other thumbnails. You should know that while you are in a particular niche, you have competitors. So if your thumbnails does not stand out, your competitor will be taking the views that is supposed to come to your channel. I'm not the only one posting about content creation here on this space. I have a lot of bigger creators who post about content creation. Either their thumbnail is standing out, they're having a large on their size. But even as a small channel, I am still standing out. My thumbnails. Then these are things you should always remember in the creation of your thumbnails. 1, find your style. In other words, what works for you. Your style is what works for you. Don't be copying someone else's thumbnail. In fact, some people go to the extent of even downloading people's thumbnail. Of course, there are apps you could use to, once you pick the link, you can download somebody's thumbnail. But that's against YouTube policy. Download somebody's thumbnail and use is a violation of their rights. Yeah. Another thing you should note, it should be simple. A thumbnail does not really need to have a complicated idea. No, it should just be what? Simple. These are the rules that guide thumbnail creation. Also, target your audience. Match designs to your viewers' preference and familiarity with you. In other words, if you watch all my thumbnails, either my face will show on my thumbnails or my channel will show on my thumbnails. So there's this thing you can always associate to this thumbnail. Once you just see the thumbnail, okay, this is coming from this particular channel. So that's what you need to know about thumbnails. So guys, this is all you need to know about thumbnails. I want to go check your thumbnails. Are they having these characteristics? Are they following these standards? Are they following these metrics? So next, you improve your thumbnails. I wish you success on this space. Watch out for my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.